Alright, howdy all. So I figured I'd give you a little rundown on where we're at with this old girl. All the box mounts cut. I got 2 left in the back of the cab itself, but I figured it'd be easier to get the box off first. I gotta get that engine out somehow, and then I'll just tip it over probably myself. All sorts of shit's been stripped out of the interior here. We got a couple of buddies who stole some stuff, and a couple new guys. I didn't realize we're working on old units, so it's kind of neat to see what's in our little town. But for aesthetic purposes, I'm gonna be swapping the swather tires back underneath it. It makes me smile every time I see the big bastards on there, so I'll do that first, and then probably take the box off and undo the cab, and probably give the scrap guy a shout and drop a load off. Found these old snap-on cups in here too. I thought they're kind of neat. Toolmate edition. Finally got to the weekend. I've been picking at it all week. That's why like the clip's gone, parts are gone. Me and Dad spent the morning trying to get this old snowblower going and did a couple passes around the yard, so hopefully the rest of the day is just spent on this old unit. I got both wheels on. Struggled a little bit with my little puny jack. So now I got to take the steering column out, I think, for my truck. Probably gonna use this old one out of the truck here, tilt column. Maybe get a different wheel down the road, but for now she's fine. And then it's just the 2 cab mounts on the back end of the cab I gotta pull. Then after that, she's a bare chassis. I wanna slide this whole broken axle back in there a little deeper so she sits where it's supposed to, and then yeah, I guess it's just a matter of getting a hold of the wrecker in town and seeing if he's alright with me just dumping everything off. I might text a couple guys to make sure they don't want anything else before I toss everything, but I have no use for it. So a couple cables I gotta disassemble, and then my shifters and column, and then yeah, she's good to go. Frame doesn't look that bad. I'm wanting to see how she looks once I get the box off. I don't know, maybe I grind a couple spots and paint it over black, and then I won't have to come back to it down the road like I'd planned. I won't be painting the cab, I don't think, unless I come into some cash somehow. Probably paint that truck next year, drive it in primer this year.
I was thinking about just standing on the dip.
Like right on the front there?
Yeah, and then we can just lift up on the... Oh, good job. Oh, that was a little heavier than I thought. We have hammers here, but you're using back on the side.
I'm trying to make do.
Well, it definitely felt there was a lot more holding the transmission and transfer case on there, but I've always wanted to do this with this truck. This is by far the coolest thing that we've done so far. I mean, the Cummins thing with the cab was pretty dope, but...
wire it.